making funny faces. Are you a fish? Are you a fish?
No, he's the Little Mermaid. Dada.
You ready for a walk? Is that Cracker?
Sure good.
You sure are cute.
You ready? I'm actually enjoying my crackers now. You're too late, Daddy. You're gonna have to go on your walk yourself.
Okay, I'm gonna stop so we can clean you up. Mwah!